about Texas like you thought I should. It ain't as easy as you think. From the outside looking in, from a bus stop at the Holiday Inn, wondering if I will eat today. With $100 from my old man and a 6-string that he got from his dad, and then he sent me on my way from painting houses in the rain. From painting houses in the rain. Then he said,
boy, you better watch your back. Play your heart out on every track. Leave it all out on the stage.
but a year out on the road, still got no money in the same old clothes. A half pack of smokes on my way back home. And then he said,
Where you gonna go from here? Back to selling drugs on a cotton mill. Buy you a house and a handful of bills. Or you could find a girl and settle down. Like every fool in this old town. Like it's some things never change. Like painting houses in the rain. Like painting houses in the rain.
oh, paint some houses for me. Bet you never thought I would go out and get it while the getting is good. Maybe I was just born this way.